The receiving partner can start by getting into a tabletop position, resting on their hands and knees. The penetrating partner should kneel behind, with their knees in between or on either side of their partner. Your partner can then hold onto your hips and insert their penis or a sex toy into your vagina or anus. If you are using doggy style for anal sex, it's also a good position to stimulate your prostate, aka the male G-spot, says Rowett. The giving partner stays in the same kneeling position as classic doggy style. In this variation, both partners lie on their sides on the bed, both facing the same direction. You can then get into a spooning position that looks like a sideways version of doggy style. The giving partner stands behind them and penetrates in the standing position. The receiving partner starts in tabletop position, but then lowers their face and chest downward, so their face lies flat on the bed. If you're the penetrating partner, your hands are free to move around. Make sure to kiss, stroke, or even spank your partner's butt. Here are some tips to make doggy style even better, and 3 variations you can try. Doggy style is a great position for deep penetration, which can be extra pleasurable for some people, a sexologist and certified intimacy coach. If you have a vagina, having sex in doggy style hits your G-spot more easily and allows for deeper penetration, Rowett says. Doggy style is a classic sex position that offers many benefits, including deep penetration and an exciting view for the partner on the giving side.